Okay, hello, my wonderful subscriber. Hello to my intending subscriber. My name is Engineer Efe Morige. I am the engineer that love building with passion. I am the one and only engineer that love building with passion. I love to see my clients. I love to see my intending clients building. I love to see Nigerians building because I know what they are going through. I know the challenges of paying house rent these days, of trying to meet up with one or two things. So today I will be discussing about the three types of building. There are three types of building, and before we discuss that, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please do where to subscribe to this channel, do where to share this channel, do where to comment on this channel. Please, we are professional engineers. I am one. I am into building construction. I have been doing this for the past 15 years. This is what I have been doing all my life. In case you want to build, in case you want to buy a land, you want to build from foundation to finishing, that is our profession. Currently we are in a site. In one of our sites right now, we are building a 5-bedroom duplex. Just some days ago, some materials, 900 bags of cement was actually supplied to the site. 900 is right there. 900 bags of cement. Maybe as we discuss the different types of building, we'll get there to look at it. Now, the first type of building that we have is called residential building. Now, a residential building is a building that is meant for living purpose. It is meant for people to reside in it. It is meant for people to live in it. And this type of building is always built with comfort. This type of building is built with comfort. You build it for those that will be residing in it to be comfortable. Now, this type of building is not building you just building in hurry, and you build it for those that will reside in it to be comfortable. This is the 900 bag of cement that were just supplied recently to this 5-bedroom duplex. I'm currently handling one of our sites. Is the 900 bags of cement. Now, this is what we tend to start with. We also have about 5,000 blocks of cement that have been supplied already. 5,000 blocks. We have reinforcement already on ground. We have 16 reinforcement. We have 16 we have 12 we have 8 blocks already on ground. So as I was saying, residential building is a building meant for living. It is meant for people that will be living in it. So when you build this type of house, the first thing that should be in your mind when you are building it is for comfort, because this is where people will be living. It's for comfort. So the water closet, the surroundings, there should be a car park should in case those people living in it, or you have a car where you can park it. You understand? You should have a well built or constructed sewage. You understand? Because people living in a house will always want to use the water closet. We always want to use the toilet. You understand? So these are some of the things you should have in mind. You should have it in mind that it is meant for the people living in it, or the people that want to live in it. If you are the one, you know what I'm talking about. Is comfort. Comfort is the first thing you should have in mind when building a residential building. Comfort. Now, the other types of building that we have is called commercial building. It's called what? Commercial building. Now, a commercial building is a building meant for business purpose. It is a business meant. It is a building built for business purpose. It's like, take for instance, in Abuja, there's a place where they call central business districts. You understand? This is where you have people coming for business purpose. Now, when you build a commercial building, the standard used for commercial building is very high, because a lot of things will be coming into that building. A lot of dead load, in civil engineering, what we call dead load. a lot of life load will be coming. You understand? A dead load is a permanent load in a building. A dead load is a permanent building. Furnitures are dead load. You understand? People could come in with all these things, like people, fridge. Somebody that has that is selling a provision now, soft drinks, it will have fridge. Now, when you keep a fridge in a building, that fridge may be in one position for 1 or 2 years. So that one is called a dead load. So when you are building a commercial building, when you are building a commercial building, have it at the back of your mind that it is meant for business purpose. And a lot of people will be coming into that building. When you are building a commercial building, you understand, a lot of people will be coming into that building. So factor of safety should be put in place, especially when it is a 1-story building or 2-story building or 3-story building. A lot of just build a 1-story building. They will be stored at the bottom, they'll be stored at the first floor. You understand? Now, the thickness of your slab for a commercial building is different for a thickness of a slab in a residential building. Is far different, because in a commercial building it will carry a lot of load. People will be coming. And secondly, in a commercial building, you should create space for car park. There should be a space for car park, so that when people come in to do shopping in that place, in that shopping mall or shopping complex, they should have a place where they can park their cars. Where they can park. I've seen a lot of shopping complex or shopping mall where they just build it and there's not enough car space. So have this, that there should be enough space. So when you want to buy a land, I used to advise some of my clients, when you want to buy a land for a commercial purpose, let it be spacious enough so that there will be enough space for people that will be coming there to park their cars. Comfort. Another thing you should have in a commercial building is also what we call the restroom. The restroom, you should have a restroom, you understand? So that when people come, in case they are pressed, they can use the restroom. And finally, the third types of building that we have, is called industrial building. Industrial building. These are buildings that is meant for production, where production and manufacturing take place. And this type of building, you don't see it in the town. You always see it as aspect of the city. It's always asset of the city. This industrial building is meant for a place where even the pollution or the noise pollution or the air pollution that will be taking place will not affect people around. So it's always built far away from the main city. So this is what we have been able to discuss. But in case you have not subscribed, because I'll be bringing a lot of updates related to building, construction, types of building, and how to get your landlord property, the type of documents that you need. And in case you want to build, in case you are intending to build, we are always available. We are there to assist you to get your land, your building, from foundation to roofing. Just like this one, I'm currently supervising in one of our sites. We do that. So today we have been able to discuss the 3 types of building, and I've been able to explain what purpose these buildings are made for. Residential building is meant for living, you understand? Comfort should be the priority. Commercial building is meant for business, you understand? Safety should be the priority, while industrial building is meant for a higher business purpose, manufacturing and production. This is what takes place, and their location differs. Now, a place where you build residential building is not the same place where you build commercial building. It's not the same place where you build industrial building. So these are things we normally advise our clients when they want to buy a land. We first and foremost ask them, for what purpose do you want to buy this land? And what type of building do you want to build? For what purpose will this building also be for? So that will determine the location of the land we will advise you to buy, or we can help you to buy. So don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. My name remains Engineer Matthew F.A. Omorege. I'm the engineer that love building with passion. I love building with passion. Thank you.